Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here. Welcome to Cartographic Design. Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about Week 10, Data Quality, Uncertainty, and Ethics. Data Quality, Uncertainty, and Ethics. It's going to be a grand time. What are we going to do in that week? This week we're going to talk about data quality. There's a lot of maps out there. Millions, and millions more get created every month, right? In various platforms. How can you determine whether a map is suitable for your use? Or can you trust that map? So data quality. Uncertainty. There are certain boundaries, certain points, lines, and polygons, and even imagery on maps that are uncertain. The ecoregion boundaries, for example. How do you represent that effectively? How do you represent data that's been collected maybe decades ago effectively, indicating some sort of uncertainty as to how confident you are in its spatial accuracy, let's say. We're also going to talk about location privacy. Mapping is inherently personal and location privacy is important, so we're going to dig into location privacy issues. That is our readings and videos for this week. All right, folks, now this week in our hands-on activities, Week 10, location privacy, we're going to look at fitness apps and high-resolution images and distortions on images and offsets on images, okay? Also, mapping uncertainty. How do we actually map, for example, I mentioned ecoregion boundaries. How do we map those knowing that those boundaries really aren't, in most cases, hard and fast boundaries, okay? And finally, representing data that spans a 70-year period, tornado tracks. You already looked at tornado tracks earlier, but this time we're going to symbolize them to indicate our relative confidence or uncertainty in them. So that is our hands-on activity, Week 10, location privacy, tornado tracks, ecoregions, lots of variety here, but I hope you enjoy it and find it useful. We'll see you in the course. So put me in the cart lab and show me a sign and map it in the cloud one more time. All right, we'll see you in Week 10.